Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition. It's actually today Sunday. Yes, the weekend edition. Sunday, March the 16th, 17th, 2024. We have here in this newspaper additional seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have two tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru, the jigsaw Sudoku, yeah. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one will be number 8205. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, cannot believe this, 30 printed digits. Should be a 0 stars. Yeah, not a 3 stars. 0 stars need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. And for a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Well, is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars? We don't know. For 3 stars, by the way, not 30 but 25 printed digits. So 5 digits more. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the third column, no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, 3, 4, 7, and look, the 3 and a 4 in this row. Second row, so no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. Alright, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Then 9, 6. Then. How about, yeah, the 8 in this row, the 8 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. 5 in this column, 5 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this first column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2, 9, 7. Okay. So 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7. 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3, the 3 in the middle row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes, and there. Alright. Okay, and now. How about, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 9. We have a 4 and a 9 in this row, so no 4 and a 9 in these two boxes. 4 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. So 2 numbers left in this big square. From the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes. In this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes. In this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6, alright. Then 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then yeah. One of the missing number in this column is number 1. Well, here can be 1, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have 1 in the third row, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 6. Alright. Then 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here on there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. And only 2 places left for the 1 should be here on there. We have a 1 in the in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here. On there, we have 1 in this column, no 1 there. Here, 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 6, 7. And I need a 2. Well. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me see. 6, 8, 9. Need a 9 here. Well, we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, and there. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here, 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. Then 3, 3. 4, 4. I need a 2. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Need an 8 here. 8. Come on. This is taking too long. 2 and the 7. Well. 8, 8. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those two boxes in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, and there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. And only place left for the 8 should be there. So we had two numbers left, the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 6. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the row, middle row, so the row below, the only two places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left, 6 should be there. So two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 are missing. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. One box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing here. Yeah. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3. No. We have a 3. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. Let me mark those. Here also 2 and the 7. Alright. Here also 2 and the 7. Alright. 4 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 2 and the 3 are missing in this column. We have a 3 in the middle row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. One box left in this big square for number 2. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes in there. 2 and a 7, we have a 2 now in the middle row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 and a 7, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. One box left in this row. For number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4, 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Well, told you. Need to be faster than 14, 13 minutes. Definitely a 0 stars. Not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars, not the 1 star. Publisher, you have a wrong indication here of the difficulty level. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.